Good morning. Today new topic is links. Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow user to click their way from page to page. Links are found in nearly on all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from page to page. Some HTML links and hyperlinks. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on the link and jump to another document. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. A link does not have to be text. A link can be an image or any other HTML element. Any HTML elements. In this topic, we have discussed how to set different properties of hyperlink using CSS. You can follow some properties of hyperlinks. I will revise some properties when we will discuss some pseudo classes of CSS. The :link signify unvisited hyperlinks. The :visited signifies visited hyperlinks. The hover signifies an element that currently has the user's mouse pointer hovering over it. The :active signifies an element on which the user is currently clicking. Usually all these properties are kept in header part of the HTML document. Remember, a hover must come after a link and a visited in the CSS definition in order to be effective. Also, a active must come after a hover in CSS definition as follows. CSS definition here also you can set to some colors of links. Some links. HTML links and syntaxes. HTML links and syntax. Links and syntax. The HTML A tag defines a hyperlink. It has following syntax. Some syntax. A in a tag A less than A href equal to within a double quotation URL double quotation closing href link text closing tag A closing of tag A. The most important attribute of the open tag element is the href attribute, which indicates link destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. Click on the link text. We will send the reader to the specified URL address. Example, The example shows how to create a link to W3 schools. How to W3 schools. W3 schools. W3 schools. You can see this program in similar manner, previous way. Here you can write the program just like HTML, open the HTML tag, and similarly after that body tag. And body tag you are using a header tag, that was h1 tag, h1 HTML links, closing of h1 tag, that is a closing of h1. After then you can start the paragraph tag, that is the opening p, that paragraph tag p, in a link, in a tag ahref equal to within a double quotation https colon www.w3schools.com backslash within double quotation close visit w3schools.com exclamatory closing of a tag, that is a attribute tag, or closing of p tag. After then you can close the body tag HTML tag. After you write the code in different way, you not only use the W3 skills, you can also use our college website www.bjargdc.in, and that the program to be executed and the W3 school output to be executed. For output of this program, you send HTML links visit w3schools.com exclamation. You can click on that one, the W3 schools website to be open. The W3 website to be open. You click on that one, the W3 schools to be open. Similar on that one, you can use your college website, that is paragraph tag ahref. You can use a f within a double quotation https backslash double backslash www.bjargdc.ac.in, otherwise bjargdc.in backslash closing visit bjargdc.in. Our college is to be open. bjargdc. The college to be, the site will be executed in the execute of your program. The details to be came on that one. You can open that program, you can run on that. The college site to be displayed. In this way, the program to be run. Not only in bjargdc, you can write in one way. If any website is there, you can write that address of that website, that is a web link. By default, a links will appear as follows some browsers. Already you can give that 3 points. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. These are some key points on that one. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. Unvisited link is underlined and blue. An visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. When I keep on links can of course be styled with the CSS to get another look. The HTML attributes and tags. The HTML target attributes. By default, The linked page will be displayed in the current browser window. To change this, you must specify another target for the link. By default, the linked page will be displayed in the current browser's window. To change this, you must specify another target for the link. The target attribute specify where to open the link document. The target attribute can have one of the following some values. Dash self default opens the document in the same window or tab as it was clicked. Dash blank opens the document in a new window or tab. Dash parent opens the document in the parent frame. Dash top opens the document in the full body of the window. These are some default key points of dash self default opens the document in the same window, backslash or a tab as it was clicked. Or blank opens the document in a new window tab. New window or new tab. Dash parent opens the underline parents open the document in the parent frame. Underline top opens the document in the full body of a window. For example, you can go for example program on that one. Example program you can go for that one. You can run this program. In similar way, you can write the program just like previous way. Open the HTML tag, open the body tag, open the h2 tag. That is in general you are using h1 tag. Now we are using a h2 tag. The target attribute closing of h2 tag. A tag href is equal to within a double quotation https : www.w3schools.co double quotation close. Target equal to within a double quotation underscore blank close. Visit w3 schools exclamatory. Closing of \a. In paragraph opening a P, if target equal to within a double quotation underscore blank within double quotation closed comma, the link will open in a new browser window or tab. Closing of \p, that is a closing paragraph tag. Closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. After you are using the program running, the output to be displayed just like visit w3 schools exclamatory. If a target equal to within a double quotation underscore blank, the link will open in a new browser window or tab. This type of output to be displayed on the monitor. This type of output to be displayed on the monitor. These are based on underscore self underscore blank underscore parent underscore top. Depend upon you can use any one on that one. Then you have used absolute URLs or relative URLs. Then you are using absolute URL or relative URLs. Both examples above are using an absolute URL, a full web address in the href attribute. A local link or a link to a page within the same website is specified with a relative URL within a double quotation https://www:part. These are for using absolute versus URL relative site. For considering this one, you can write one program for example program for this one. Depend upon absolute values. You can write this program for a similar way. Just like a program, HTML, open the HTML, open the body tag, open the h2 tag, that is a heading tag h2, opening tag, absolute URLs, closing the h2 tag. You can open the paragraph tag, p tag, a href equal to within double quotation https://www.w3.org / ended with a double quotation w3c closing of /a and closing of /p, that is paragraph. Similar, open the another p tag, that is a paragraph tag, opening p and opening a href equal to within a double quotation https://www.google.com double quotation google /a /p. You can use the another program, that is you are using a absolute URLs. Now you can use write a relative URL h2 tag, that is a relative URLs, closing of h2 tag. Now can you write a paragraph tag, that is a p tag, opening a p, opening a tag, a href equal to within double quotation html_images.asp within double quotation closed off HTML images, closing of a tag, closing of paragraph tag, that is p tag. Another paragraph there starting here, p, opening p and opening a href equal to within double quotation /css /default.asp closing within a double quotation css tutorial /a and /p, that is a closing a tag and closing p tag. You can closing the body tag and closing HTML tag. After then you can run this program. Which type of output to be displayed? The output to be just like absolute URLs w3c Google, relative URLs HTML images CSS tutorial, and the output of that files, the w3 skills in blue color and Google also blue color. After running this one, you can click the w3 skill, the website to be displayed on that one, w3 site to be open, w3 site to be open, w3 site to be open. W3 site to be open. Similarly, you can open that Google, that output to be also to be open. These are absolute URLs, and similarly you have to write the program another relative URLs. The relative URLs also to be open. HTML images and CSS tutorials. The CSS tutorial and HTML images to be open on that particular page. An absolute URL are W3C and Google. The relative URLs, HTML images and CSS tutorials. You can click on that HTML images. This site to be open. This site to be open. HTML images that like. After then you can go for another one, that is HTML links and use an image as a link. After then you can go for links and images. Links and image. Links as a image as a link. To use an image as a link, just to put the image tag inside the tag A. For consider this one, you can write another simple program for running this one. You can run for this one. You can write first, make it in some simple program. You can write this program. HTML, opening HTML tag, open the body tag. After then you can write a h2 tag, image as a link, closing of h2 tag. After then you can write a paragraph that is a p tag. The image below is a link. Try to click on it, closing of p tag. After then you can write any image of some program execution. You can write the a tag, that is a href equal to within a double quotation default.asp within double quotation closed. After then image tag you can start here. You can write image tag. In previously you know that image tag, image src equal to within a double quotation, and double quotation you can write a image file name, that is a smiley.gif within double quotation closure. After then you can alt equal to within a double quotation HTML tutorial, closing of double quotation. After then you can use style equal to within double quotation width colon 42px ended with semicolon, height colon 42px ended with semicolon, closing of double quotation, closing of backslash a, closing of body and closing of HTML. These tags to be closed. The image below link is, try to click on this one. By using this one, you can generally in previous you can well known about a image link. You are perfect in that image tag. You can easily write on that one. Just you put replace is a within a tag. You can use the image tag in between of a tag, closing of opening of a tag and closing of a tag. In between you can use the image tag. href equal to within a double quotation default.esp, closing of double quotation. After then you can use the image tag, image src equal to within a double quotation smiley smiley dot gif within double quotation closed, alt equal to within double quotation HTML tutorial double quotation closed, style is equal to within double quotation width width dot within column 42px ended with semicolon, height colon 42px ended with semicolon within double quotation backslash a. Closing of body tag, closing of HTML. Running this program, you can open that output to be just like output of just like. You can see that output. Images as a link. The image below link. Try to click on it. By you click on that image, the output to be displayed on particular way. The output to be displayed on your particular way. On particular way. The HTML links just they are generally depend upon that the target attribute specify way to open the link document. The target attributes can have one of the following values. Underscore self default opens the document in the same window tab as it was clicked. And underscore blank opens the document in a new window tab or tab. Underscore parent opens the document in the parent frame. Underscore top open the document in the full body of the window. These are link targets of open the tags on links attributes. Links attribute. These are different links. Style attributes link elements to have different functions we are using. This in a web page can contain various links that take you directly to the other pages and even specific parts of given page. The links are known as a hyperlinks. A web page contains various links that take you directly to other pages or even specific parts of a given page. These links are known as a hyperlinks. Hyperlinks allows visitors to navigate between websites by clicking on words, phrases, and images. Thus, you can create hyperlinks using a text or image available on your web page. Generally, you can go through the short tutorial on this one. A linking document is specified using HTML tag, a tag, that is a anchor tag. This tag is called a anchor tag. Generally, you know already this A is the anchor tag. And anything between the opening a tag, that is a anchor tag, and the closing of backslash a, that is a anchor tag. In between you can write the opening tag of a and the closing tag of a. In between you can use this one. Tag becomes a part of a link and a user can click on that part or to reach to the linked document by using your own way. Already you know that program, you can run this one. The attributes, you know that one. Target attributes in our are blank open, the underscore blank is depend upon that particular way. Top open some points to targets of this one. Open the link to document a new window tab or blank or self document or self. Open the link document in the same frame. And parents open the link document in the parent frame. Underscore top open the link document in the full body of the window. Target frame open the link document in a named target frame. Simply, Nothing but a web page can contain various links that take you directly to other pages and even specific parts of a given page. These links are known as a hyperlinks. Tomorrow you can discuss remaining topics. Thank you.